Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Rachna Lesson 3 Part B exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs in the present imperfect continuous tense. So first question, Billy Doodh. Billy means cat, Doodh means milk. So now we have to fill it. So cat is drinking milk. बिल्ली दूध पी रही है. पीना is to drink. बिल्ली दूध पी रही है is the answer for the first question. Second question, आप यहाँ क्या? You, what are you? That is given. आप यहाँ क्या? यहाँ means here. क्या means what? आप means you with respect. आप यहाँ क्या dash. So we have to write the answer as आप यहाँ क्या कर रही हैं. रही हैं is feminine gender. आप यहाँ क्या कर रही हैं is the answer. What are you doing here? आप यहाँ क्या कर रही हैं. That is the answer for second question. हम तमाशा. तमाशा means grand show or some dance or performance or some entertainment. That is tamasha. So हम means we, tamasha means grand show or entertainment dash. So we are going to fill it as we are seeing the performance. हम तमाशा देख रहे हैं. हम is plural. So रहे will come and है and dot. हम तमाशा देख रहे हैं. We are seeing the performance. That is the answer for third one. हम तमाशा देख रहे हैं. Now fourth question, लड़के मैदान में. Boys in the ground. Dash. They have given. We have to say boys are playing in the ground. So लड़के मैदान में खेल रहे हैं. लड़के is plural. Boys. So खेल play रहे will come for plural and है with dot will come. लड़के मैदान में खेल रहे हैं. लड़के मैदान में खेल रहे हैं. Boys are playing in the ground or playground. लड़के मैदान में खेल रहे हैं. That is the answer for the fourth one. Fifth one, लड़कियां घर में. Girls in the house. Dash they have given. So लड़कियां घर में dash. Girls are reading in the house. So how we are going to say reading means padna. So it is present continuous and female gender. पढ़ रही will come. And लड़कियां is plural. So है with dot. है will come. लड़कियां घर में पढ़ रही हैं. Girls are reading in the house. लड़कियां घर में पढ़ रही हैं. This is the answer for the fifth one. Sixth one, हम घड़ी. हम घड़ी. घड़ी means we. घड़ी means watch or clock. So we are purchasing the clock. Purchase means खरीदना. Buy is खरीदना. So खरीद हम means plural. So रहे हैं with dot will come. है with dot will come. हम घड़ी खरीद रहे हैं. That is the answer. हम घड़ी खरीद रहे हैं. That is the answer for sixth one. Seventh one, पिताजी खत. Father letter dash. So what we will write? Father is writing a letter. Writing is लिखना. So with respect and male it is so लिख रहे हैं with dot हैं. लिख रहे हैं. पिताजी खत लिख रहे हैं. For seventh one, पिताजी खत लिख रहे हैं. Khat means letter. पिताजी खत लिख रहे हैं. So that is the answer for seventh one. Eighth one, अध्यापक लड़की की. So teacher लड़कों को, अध्यापक लड़कों को, teacher is saying something to the boys. So what is she, how will fill the sentence? Teacher is calling the boys. Calling is bulana is a verb, and here we'll write bula rahe hain because it is plural. Rahe hai with dot hain will come. अध्यापक लड़कों को बुला रहे हैं. अध्यापक लड़कों को बुला रहे हैं. Teacher is calling the boys. That is the answer. अध्यापक लड़कों को बुला रहे हैं. That is the answer for eighth one. Ninth one, वे चाय, they tea dash is given. So they are drinking tea. We have to fill. वे चाय, drink means पीना, रहे because it is plural, and है and dot है will come. वे चाय पी रहे हैं. वे चाय पी रहे हैं. They are drinking tea. वे चाय पी रहे हैं. That is the answer for ninth one. वे चाय पी रहे हैं. That is the answer for ninth one. Tenth one, मैं पाठ, I lesson dash, मैं पाठ. So what I will fill it? I will write it as, I want to write it as I am learning the lesson. Learn means सीखना. So सीख रहा, रहा is male gender. मैं पाठ सीख रहा हूँ. I will write I am learning the lesson. मैं पाठ सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning the lesson. पाठ means lesson. मैं means I. सीख means to learn. मैं पाठ सीख रहा हूँ. So a male person is saying this. If female says, we can write मैं पाठ सीख रही हूँ. So anything we can write. मैं पाठ सीख रहा हूँ. We will write for the 10th question. So we have seen the fill in the blanks for present continuous tense. You can read and write and understand the meaning of the sentence. If you practice it, you will be able to understand well. Thank you.